Retro gaming. Heroes 3. I still play in this game, even now, sometimes. I like Inferno Castle and like Cerberus. I found a wonderful model, like in old game. It's a Cerberus by Zabavka Workshop. I like a stylish black color of the box. Let's open it. Foam packaging, it's a good protection against shipping damage. A little sticker and the model in a plastic zip bags. I assembled the model using the super glue. I did not need a putty. The model is very easy to assemble. Less words, more painting. First layer on the dog skin. Take a big brush and make a dry brush. Some purple for the snake tail. Making pre-shade. Add some airbrushing. Now paint a snake belly. Another layer of airbrushing. We make that for our skin look more smooth. Gray for the nose. Dry brushing, speak it back. When a pre-shade is drying, we washing the snake. I take a light gray and make a second layer of dry brushing. Our back, yes. I take a skin tone and make a highlights, extreme highlights by the dry brush. I take a red color for the wounds. Red for the dog's mouth. Airbrushing area around the eyes by yellow color. Gray for the spikes. Time to accurate highlighting by brush. highlights for the highest points of the model. Washing dogs' juice. I glaze eye area. I make mixture of the wash and working on the skin. Making wound area more darker. Working on the snake body. Highlighting some squama. Working on the shadows between the necks. Paint spikes in a more lighter color. Make color stretching on the cloths. Second highlight layer of our spikes. Skin tone for the breakfast hand. Good dog, don't bite me. Put some lines on the dog's lips. We put small dots to make eyes and glow area more expressive. Very liquid paint help us for creating a patina. Paint teeth, then add some white paint and highlight top of the teeth. Washing beating of hand. Now base color for our skulls. Airbrushing second layer. And final highlight. Washing eye holes and nose holes and make small shadows. Take acrylic paint and many water and washing base, all base, rocks and earth. And good old techniques, heavy dry brush. Base and Cerberus are ready. And if you want to buy any model by Zabavka Workshop, check links in description. And don't forget, I can paint your models too. That's all. Bye.